Hey everyone, Oluwabi Something is here from wikito.com, and today I'll be teaching you 5 softwares that you can use to record your screen, your laptop screen, your PC screen, all for free. And these are not just free softwares that in the long run they will put watermark or time limit. No, these are 100% free software, no watermark and no time limit. You see, before I pick these softwares, I have my conditions. 1, it must be free and free indeed. 2, no watermark. 3, no time limit. 4, the software must produce quality videos, and all these softwares meet this condition. So if that is something that interests you, you join me in this store and make sure you watch to the end. Who knows, number 4, number 3, number 1 may be your favorite. Let's get started. The first free screen recorder I'll be sharing with you today is FreeCam. FreeCam helps you to capture your screen without watermark and no time limit. So you can download FreeCam at freescreenrecording.com. I'm going to put the link in the description below, so you can just click and you download. But before you get it downloaded, you will need to put in your email here, so you get it downloaded. Actually, they are not going to send this link to you. They are just going to have your email so that they can send you update or upsell. Download this software, so I'm not going to go through that process again. FreeCam is around 22.8 megabytes, so it's a very small software and it's very light. This is FreeCam. When you open it, FreeCam will bring you 2 options. Do you want to start a new recording or do you want to pick a recent record? So I'm going to start a new recording here. Once you click on new recording, you have this screen ratio, where you can resize the screen and capture exactly where you want to capture or what you want to capture. You can increase the size to capture the whole of your screen size, or you reduce to capture a portion of your screen. You can use this plus arrow sign to move it around to capture a specific angle of your screen. That said, down below here you have options of your volume, of your mic. You can mute the mic. You see the mic is muted, you can mute the mic, and you can also change the video ratio. You can change the ratio. You can put it on 16, you can put it on 16:9, 720, or you change the ratio as you desire. Now, once you are fine with this, let's please check the settings we have here. We have some other awesome settings here that you can do. You can change some shortcuts like your pause, resume. You can pause with F9. You can stop this recording with escape, and you can do you can discard recording with F10. Now, all this done, if you want to start a recording, just click on this red button and it's going to count to 1. Then the recording has started, and once you are done with the recording, you can just click pause here, or you just press escape, and the recording is stopped. See, this is what we have recorded. So, and you can export this, or you can save this as a video. You see, you can save it as a video on your system anywhere, and you are good to go. It also comes with 2 gig free cloud storage, where you can store your video on the cloud and access it from anywhere. Another thing why you should consider this FreeCam is because it is very light. It's not a heavy software, and you can get it run by a small PC, small laptop. It will not drag your system, but it has some downsides. You cannot edit, you cannot put icons and all that. You need to take this video to a video editor to be able to edit and remove noise and all that. That being said, let's go to the second software. This second software is awesome, and honestly, very few people know it came with your Windows. If you are using Windows, XBoss is already pre-installed into your Windows software. Just come to your search box and type XBoss. Now you will see XBoss Game Bar. Now you will think it's just for gaming, but it does more than that. The only disadvantage of this is that it doesn't record your desktop. If you're on the desktop, you see the record button will go disable, it will go gray, it will not work because you're on the desktop. It doesn't record the desktop. See, gaming features aren't available for the Windows desktop or File Explorer. Aside from your desktop and File Explorer, this Xbox game bar will record just anything. You can use it to record your, for instance, let's say let me close this. Let's say I have my Word document open here. Then I have my Xbox. Let me just, to another shortcut is Window G, Window key G. Once you press the window key on your keyboard and the G together, it will load your Xbox. Now you see the capture, the record button is now active. So if you press this now, it's going to start recording. See my recording, see my recording capture here. Do you see it? So it has started recording this screen, and when you are done, you just stop it and it's going to generate the recording for you, and you can send it to wherever you want to send it. You can use it on Facebook, YouTube. You can also use it on other video editors. So that said, we are going to number 3. Number 3 free software is Zoom. Honestly, we think Zoom is actually for meeting alone, but there's an aspect of Zoom that is actually for video editing, which is what we will be considering today. So just open your Zoom app. I have it installed. Open your Zoom app and click on meetings. You don't need to, you're not doing any meeting. You might be thinking you are going for a meeting. No, you're not going to create any meeting. You're not sending link to anybody. Then you can join with your computer audio if you want to use that. Then the only thing you have to do here is to just click on share screen, and whichever way you want to start your recording. Do you want to use whiteboard, iPad? Do you want to use FreeCam? What exactly you want to share? I'm going to be sharing my old screen, which is this. Then just click on share. Now it has shared my screen, but it has not started recording. To start the recording, you will click these 3 icons here, these 3 dots, and you will click record. Now the moment you click record, it has started recording. You are going to hear an audio that tells you the recording has started. So you can just continue with whatever you are doing, whatever you want to record. You can record as long as you like. You can put your video while you are recording, or if you like, you can collapse it. You can collapse it or you cancel it here. So once you click here, your video will not be available, but the recording is going on. All these things that are flying out will not show in your recording. So once you are done with your recording, you click on these 3 dots again and you stop recording. So that is the 3rd software that you can use for free to do screen capture. Number 4 screen recording software is Flashback. Now, for you to download Flashback, you can come to flashbackrecorder.com. To download Flashback, just come to flashbackrecorder.com and click download free trial. So once that is done, you come to download free trial, or you come to download free, whichever way it is. It is a free software, though they have a paid version. The paid version allows you to be able to edit your video, but the free version allows you to record your video, but you won't be able to edit it. You will need to export it from the software to another software. Quickly, let's see how it looks. Now, this is Flashback Express Recorder. So once you launch the software, it's going to show you an interface like this where you can use the webcam, or you disable the webcam. Let me enable the webcam again. Hi everyone. See, you can enable the webcam, you can disable it. You can change audios here, whichever audio you want to use. I have several audio plugged in, so I can decide to use this particular audio. You can capture full screen, region screen, or windows. You can set timer. Probably you are in a meeting and you don't want to record more than 10 minutes. You can set the timer to 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, the recording will automatically stop. Do you understand? You can do your webcam. You can do a lot of things. You can show the webcam on a bigger view. Do you see it? Hi everyone. So it's showing my webcam on a bigger view. So I can also disable it. I can uncheck it. I can also uncheck this. There are a lot of settings that actually come with this, and once you are fine with your settings and all that, you can just click on record and it starts recording. So you see it's getting ready for recording, and once the recording is done, you can move it to another software, because see, this is the recording tab. The recording has started. You can move this, you can click on this to minimize, see it here, and you do whatever you want to do. You share whatever information you want to share while the screen is captured. Do you see that? So once you are done with recording, you just click on this small icon here and you click on stop. It's going to auto generate, and it's telling you have made a recording. Play the recording or you save it, but I want to play the recording so that we see how it looks like. So after this, you have to export this video into another software where you can edit. But if you don't want to edit it, just copy it as, just send it to wherever you want to send it, just as it is, and you are good to go. This yellow move you are seeing is not from this software, it's from my own recording software. I actually use Camtasia, is a paid version, but I know some of my colleagues that use this free software for recording and they are fine with it. Do you understand? So I'm going to be sharing another software. I'm going to be sharing another software with you, which is very, very powerful. So here you cannot edit. All these things aren't going to be working except for you to just edit where you want, and after that then you export it. You see, you can export as MPEG, AVI or Windows. Then you say okay, then you get it exported. I'm not going to be exporting this. So the last software I'll be talking about is called OBS. OBS is the grandfather of free. OBS is the grandfather of free screen recorder software. It is very, very robust. Honestly, I don't know why some people love OBS, but I have friends that have claimed OBS is the best screen recorder for them for several reasons. But as for me, it's just too robust, and you can download OBS at obsproject.com. And I will also be leaving the link in the description below. All these software that I have shared with you, I'll be leaving the link in the description below so that you can download it directly. I have OBS installed on my system, so quickly let me go to my search box and type OBS. Now I have OBS Studio, so just click it. You are going to install first. Then once you install, then you have it open. Then you can start your recording. You see, you can start your recording here. You can click here to add source. Where do you want to record? Do you want to encode text? Do you want to capture the whole screen? If you want to capture the whole screen, it's going to give you the option to do that. Then you can start recording, and you can also stop recording once you are done. It's a very robust software. It has several features that I cannot go over in this single video. And if you are not a techie person, honestly, stay away from OBS. The interface is not user friendly. It's threatening. Honestly speaking, I don't think I will advise a newbie to go and try OBS, because you just get confused, because the interface is just complicated. But I just have to share this with you, because who knows, there might be a techie guy that is watching this that want to try OBS. OBS is good. Aside from screen recording, you can use it to do streaming. You can stream live to YouTube, to Facebook. And I think that's one of the reasons why people love OBS, aside from the screen recording feature. Also, if you have found value in this video, why not consider to subscribe, share, like, and leave a comment in the section below if you have missed any software, or there's a software you like. Just share your experience so that others can learn from you. See you in the next video. Peace out.